Tired of watching your hard-earned money vanish into thin air? Well, get ready, because in this video, we're about to unleash the ultimate budgeting methods that'll turn your savings game into a powerhouse. If the thought of managing your finances leaves you feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. We've got a step-by-step guide that's going to take you from financial frustration to saving success in no time. All right, buckle up for step number 1, tracking your spending. You know that feeling when you look at your wallet or bank account and wonder where all your money went? Yeah, we've all been there. But fear not, because we're going to show you how to track every dollar, even the sneaky ones that try to escape. First things first, grab your weapon of choice, whether it's your smartphone, a notebook, or even a budgeting app. Start by listing down every expense you make, no matter how small. Coffee runs, online shopping, bills, everything. The goal is to leave no financial stone unturned. This might feel a bit tedious at first, but trust me, the insights you'll gain are worth it. You'll start spotting spending patterns and maybe even a few surprise expenses that you didn't realize were adding up. Now let's jump into step 2, creating categories and setting limits. Picture this. You've got your spending all laid out, but it's like a wild jungle out there. It's time to tame it. We're going to help you divide your spending into clear categories and set limits that'll keep your money in check. Here's what you do. Start by creating categories like groceries, entertainment, bills, savings, and whatever else applies to your spending. This is going to help you see where your money is going at a glance. Now comes the fun part, setting limits. Take a look at your monthly income and figure out how much you want to allocate to each category. Be realistic and take into account your financial goals. If you're trying to save more, allocate more to your savings category. The key here is finding a balance that works for you. It might take some tweaking in the beginning, but eventually you'll have a budget that guides your spending in alignment with your goals. Ready for step 3? It's a game changer. The 50-30-20 rule. Imagine a budget that not only covers your necessities, but also leaves room for the fun stuff, and most importantly, those savings that you've been dreaming about. Imagine your income split into 3 slices of a delicious financial pie. First up, we have the needs slice, which is 50% of your income. This covers your essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, the stuff you can't do without. Next, we have the wants slice, which is 30% of your income. This is where you can indulge in things like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. And the final slice, the savings slice, is a scrumptious 20% of your income. This is non-negotiable. It goes straight into your savings account, an emergency fund, or paying off debt. Following this rule takes the guesswork out of budgeting. You're ensuring that your money is going where it matters most, without sacrificing the things that bring you joy. And there you have it, fellow budget warriors. You've just conquered the path to smarter savings using these 3 straightforward steps. Remember, this isn't just about pinching pennies. It's about giving yourself the financial freedom to live your best life without constantly worrying about money.